Okay, hi, this is a primer on how to prepare your work for the 12 by 12 exhibition coming up. As the name suggests, everything should be 12 inches by 12 inches. And when Leonardo shows up with his picture portrait and it's 12 and a half by 13, we're gonna ask him to wait for the next show, the 12 and a half by 13 show. Or crop it so that it's 12 by 12. We're looking for the consistency of 12 by 12 and to see what people can do within those parameters. And given this example here, it can certainly be three-dimensional, but again, it needs to be mounted on a 12 by 12 exhibit piece. And if your piece is smaller than 12 by 12, mount it to something that's 12 by 12, and that works. Now the other thing is, as part of the hanging committee, it's very important that the hanging devices be consistent. This is brought about 3.5 inches down, and you want about a half an inch of play, no more than that, because you don't want it coming up here and you don't want it too tight because it gets hard to get behind it. And our hanging system is such that we need the wire to be able to make sure that it hangs level. So, you know, this can go back and forth and be adjusted so that it's level. So on the back of this one, this not being a canvas and not recessed, I've used D-rings, which are a good thing to always use, basically. Again, about a 1-inch deflection, and that means when it hangs, this device won't be seen popping over the top. If it's too close to the top, then you see that chrome thing there, it's distracting and you don't want that. So this makes it consistent and easier for the people who have to hang it, because we're looking at probably well over 100 pieces that have to be hung using this system. Any questions? Anyone?
Can my piece be 14 by 14?
No, again, you'll have to wait for the 14 by 14 show. This is the 12 by 12 show, and we're looking for consistency. Any other questions? you back there.
10 by 10?
No, 10 by 10 mounted on a 12 by 12 piece, and then it will be consistent. It can be round if it's mounted to a 12 by 12 piece, because when we look around, we want everything to be uniform in that way, but what you do within that 12 inches is what's going to distinguish you from the next 12 by 12 piece, whether it's two-dimensional, three-dimensional, or four-dimensional.
And why is it so important that the wire be so close to the top? What if it was lower? What would the difference?
I think you'll find, or we've found, that if it's lower, it makes the piece cant out, tilt out more, and I don't think anybody would be happy with the way that would look. This gets it as close to the top without seeing the hanging bracket, and in that way it hangs best, even if it's kind of heavy. This one's kind of heavy, so this one wants to tilt out more, but by virtue of having another heavier one underneath it, it actually keeps it flatter to the wall.
Okay, thanks.